Excuse me, I have need of some help. Can you help me? Please.
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
Actually, I have need of a taxi. Where from I can find it?
You can find a taxi at the right corner of the market.
I hope the taxi is not too expensive.
You must be careful with that. Not all taxi drivers are honest. You need to be careful. Some of them realize that you are a tourist and they make you pay more than the regular. We usually use an app for that. But since you are new here, you can call me if you have any problem. I can guide you. Whatever you want, you can trust me.
That's great. And how much I will pay for travel on taxi to the mall? I need to know because I don't have much money.
I think it's not more than $15. Is that expensive for you?
No, it's not expensive. That's fine. Thank you so much. And if I want to eat something,
The best restaurants are downtown. I suppose you want to keep about the cheapest one.
yeah, please. I don't have much money. I want a cheap but delicious restaurant.
I get it. Then you have to go to the other side of the city. There is a place. In fact, it's a market. You can find a delicious food over there. And it's a really cheap. You can find $4 plates and $1 snacks. It's really good.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. And what about the places to visit here?
You mean tourist places? We have a lot. But again, you must be careful. There are always bad people over there. Some stealers, scammers, and so on. I recommend you to hire a tourist service, a tourist agency. There are many of them, and they are not too expensive.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.